Day 1. What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a unified data analytics platform built on Apache Spark, designed to run natively on Microsoft Azure. It was created through a partnership between Microsoft and Databricks, combining Azure's cloud power with Databricks' industry-leading analytics engine. So why is it used? Azure Databricks simplifies big data processing and machine learning at massive scale. It removes the complexity of managing Spark infrastructure, so teams can focus on insights instead of servers. Key features include a collaborative workspace where data engineers, scientists, and analysts work side by side. You get auto-scaling Spark clusters, Delta Lake for reliable data storage with ACI transactions, and MLflow for tracking machine learning experiments end-to-end. It also integrates deeply with Azure services, Azure Data Factory, Synapse Analytics, Power BI, and Azure Machine Learning. In the real world, companies use Azure Databricks to build ETL pipelines that process millions of records per hour, run real-time streaming analytics, train large-scale machine learning models, and power SQL-based business intelligence dashboards. Azure Databricks is the go-to platform for modern data-driven organizations on Azure. That's day 1. Tomorrow, we dive into the Lakehouse architecture. Subscribe and follow along for the full 30-day Azure Databricks series.